Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to create a blog website on Wix. In this video we'll talk all about this platform called Wix. We will show you how to sign up, how to create your own website and also how to create blog posts in your website on Wix. Make sure you're watching this video till the end. Let's begin with a short intro to what Wix is. As you can see, we are on the home page. And you can see over here, Wix is a place where you can create a website without limits. If you scroll down, you can see that this is one platform with infinite possibilities for unlimited creation, powerful infrastructure, and it is a place for growth. If you scroll down further, you can see that Wix has a lot of templates catering to many industries like fashion, portfolio, business, fitness, technology, and more. Now let's look at the sign up process, but before that, let me just take you quickly through the pricing. To know about the pricing and membership plans, simply click on pricing at the top navigation bar. It will take you to this page, which is the pricing page, and as you can see over here on Wix, there are three different types of plans. The first one is the website plans, which we are on right now. Then there is the business and e-commerce plans, and finally the enterprise plans. Since we're talking about creating websites, let's just focus on this, which is website plans. If you scroll down, you can see that these are the four different plans for websites. Starting from the right, because that's the least one, it is called Combo, which is at $16 per month, and you get only these many features and 2 GB of storage space and 30 minutes of video. Then comes the unlimited plan at $22 per month, and you get all these features, 5 GB storage space and 1 hour of video. Then comes the Pro plan at $27 per month. You get all these features along with 50 GB storage space and 2 hours of video. Then comes the VIP plan, which is at $45 per month. And you get all these features along with priority customer care, 100 GB storage space and 5 hours of video. So choose your plan wisely. Now, if you want to get started, you simply need to click on the Get Started Today button over here, or else click on the Get Started button at the top right corner. So as you can see, this is the sign up page. On the right side, you have two options. One is to continue with your Google account or with your Facebook account. On the left side, you can see you can continue with your email, which is what we're going ahead with. So first type in your email. Type in your email again. Put in a password. Type your password again. And then click on the sign up button. Next, there will be a series of questions that you need to answer. You can click on the Get Started button for that. If you're creating a website for a client, click on Create for a Client. The first question is, what kind of website are you creating? And there are a lot of options below over here. We're simply going ahead with the blog option. And then when you click on blog again, there are many options over here. Let's just go ahead with live blog. Click on the next button after choosing your option. The next question will be, what would you like to call your website? We're going to call it this and then click on the next button. Then you'll be asked, what are your goals for this website? And you have a lot of options over here. We're just going ahead with just explore and then click on the next button. Finally, it'll ask you, what do you want to add to your website? You have all these options. For now, we are not adding anything. We're just clicking the next button. And then it'll take you to this page where you can see the Go to Dashboard button. Click on it and you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your Wix dashboard and you can see there are 5 steps to set up your blog and we have just finished one. So let's go ahead and see how you can create a new site. For that, just click this Create New Site option over here. So as you can see over here, you have two options on the right side. One is begin with a template, and then you can also choose the other option, which is get a custom built site. Let's see how you can use a template from Wix. So click on begin with a template. This is the templates page and you can see there are loads and loads of templates on Wix. And over here you can see all the industries that it caters to. So since we want to just create a personal blog, we're going with this option over here. And underneath blog itself or personal blog, you've got all these different templates over here. And you've got 2 pages of templates actually. So let's just go ahead and select one. Let's go with this one. So when you hover your cursor on one of the templates, you can see two options. One is edit and view. If you click on view, it will just show you a preview of how your blog will look like. Let's move this out of the way. So over here in the preview, you can see that this is how the website will look like on the desktop. And if you click over here, this is how the website will look like on mobile. If you're fine with everything, just click on edit this site. Clicking on edit this site will take you to the template, which might take some time based on the template that you've chosen. Once all the configurations have happened, you'll be taken to this page, which is basically the editor of your blog. Let's move this out of the way, and you can see there are so many blocks and elements on the website ready to use. You just need to edit the text and pictures also if you want, but this is how your personal blog will look like. Then on the left side, if you just expand this, you will see that there are so many elements that you can add, and each element has different designs, as you can see. You can embed a code, you can use your socials and whatnot. Then you can add a section to your blog. Now under sections itself, you've got so many sections. Let's add a welcome section. If you click on any section, it'll get automatically added to the website like this. Then comes the site pages and menu option. You can go through all these. You can get an overlook of all the pages on your website over here. So all the pages will appear over here. And if you click on the three dots, you can have these many options like rename, delete, SEO basics, and settings. Then comes the site design. Now under site design itself, you can choose a theme. So you can click on customize to customize the theme based on colors. Under add apps, you can add apps to your blog or website through the Wix app market. Then there is my business, which will show you the business approach towards creating a post and a blog, maintaining a blog on Wix. Then there is the media option over here. There are so many things that you can browse on Wix itself. And then there is content manager. So that's it about how your blog will look like. Now let's see how to create a post on your blog. For that, you need to return to your dashboard, which you can do by simply clicking go to dashboard. And to create a blog post, what you can do is simply go to posts under blog on the left side bar. And then over here, you can see there are different tabs like published, drafts, pending for review, scheduled, and trash. To create a new post, simply click here or click on this create new post button on the top right side. Now to create a post itself, you have this very handy editor. On the left side bar, you have all these options. The first is add. If you click on add, these are the things that you can add to your blog post. In the center, this is the editing interface where you will type something like, let's just say test post for now. And over here, you can start writing what your post is about. And then if you click this plus icon over here, again, you can go to the add options. Let's just move that out of the way. For the text itself, if you type something like, let's just go ahead with dummy text. If you select the text, you have all these options. Now, when you make changes to your post, it gets automatically saved. And then when you want to publish, you simply click the publish button. And then you can see that the post has come under published. Now, if you want to edit this, you simply click on edit and you'll go back to the editor. So that's all about how to create your own website on Wix. We truly hope this video has helped you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If there are any topics that you want a video from us, then put down your thoughts in the comment section. We will catch you soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.